So this morning is one of those repeat days, and I have a second loaf of bread ready to, it's going to rise a little bit more before I bake it. Good morning everyone, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and as I said, today is going to be one of those let's do a little repeat day, and I have some potatoes washed, and I've got this newfangled little gadget that will cut hopefully tiny little cubes for me, and so I'm going to do as many. Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, I've got a fourth tray, so I'm going to do 4 trays of potatoes, and then I'm going to do 1 tray of the eggs, you know, and I'm just going to try and keep that dehydrator going as long as I can. So let's get to it. So with this method, I guess I just want to cut them into probably 1-inch or quarter-inch type slices, and let's see how well this works here. Definitely better. Okay, so we'll continue along here, and it certainly is faster than using my French fry item. One, two. And they seem to be just slightly smaller than... Oh, I have to blanch these. Cannot forget to blanch them. I'm going to go put a pot of water on the stove right now. Okay, my water's on the stove, and meanwhile, these should probably go back into some cold water before I even attempt to put them on the trays. Let's add some cold water to this. Okay, and that's just to stop everything from browning. So I finally took my very first batch of eggs off the dehydrator, and the texture hasn't changed at all, and I'm going to just set that aside and use it separately. Certainly will not throw them out, but they don't seem to have the same texture as the raw ones. Perfect little cubes, better than I could have cut them. Okay. I could probably do carrots this way as well and dehydrate carrots. That dehydrator is going to get a lot of use in the next little while before canning season, where my pressure canner will get a lot more use. Okay, what happened there? see if I can, how many I can put on the tray and how many more I want to peel. I want to maximize the use of the dehydrator right now. And since I only have one egg tray, or one tray that I can make eggs on, the rest is going to go for potatoes. Okay, time to blanch. And it looks like I should be able to do this all in one bunch. Should definitely be able to get another batch on as well. So when this is finished, I will put them on the trays and then likely do a second batch. Back on the trays. Certainly seem to be able to fit a whole lot more on a tray on this size. But we want to do it as single layer as possible. Okay. Okay, these two are going on the dehydrator right away. Okay, and now I'm going to go for my half a dozen eggs. I'm only going to do 6 because I've only got one tray. This tray will go at the top. And I did purchase 4 to 5 dozen extra eggs, so that I can continue with this process. 4 and 6. Okay, that will do, but I will not pour it into the tray until I've got it on the dehydrator. Okay, I'm ready for my last batch of potatoes, and hopefully I could fit that on a tray and a half. If not, I'm going to have to just double up. So, on top of these trays, I will place the tray with the eggs. And I'm doing it at my dehydrator so I don't spill eggs all over my potatoes. Now, let's see if I can get this to seat. There we go, right there. And done for the day.